Every second, millions of packages move across the globe. But what if time itself became irrelevant? What if delivery was not measured in days, but in moments? The future of logistics is being rewritten, not by trucks or ships, but by artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where distance is no barrier, where drones glide across skylines, self-driving trucks cross continents, and robotic couriers walk our streets. Imagine ordering at midnight and receiving at dawn. This is the poetry of speed, the rhythm of AI in motion. Logistics no longer bound by roads, but by intelligence, faster, safer, smarter. AI in logistics is not a dream. It is the engine of tomorrow. Algorithms map the fastest routes in seconds, predicting traffic before it exists. Warehouses hum with robotic precision, every package tracked like a heartbeat in the global supply chain. Drones deliver across skies, autonomous ships sail across oceans, and AI ensures efficiency never sleeps. This is digital transformation in its purest form. Technology trends show us a new era, one where goods travel faster than thought, and supply chains heal themselves when disrupted. But what about jobs? The future of work will change, yes. Traditional drivers may fade, but AI innovation opens new roles, managing fleets, coding delivery intelligence, designing the very systems that keep humanity connected. The AI future of logistics is not about replacing us, it is about evolving with us. But in this dazzling speed, questions rise. Will faster delivery make us more connected or more impatient? Will machines handling our lifelines make us safer or more dependent? The human side of logistics is trust, the unseen bond between sender and receiver. And in the age of AI, that trust must evolve into something greater, balance between humanity and intelligence. The future of logistics will not be about trucks, ships, or drones. It will be about possibility. The possibility of reaching anyone, anywhere, anytime. AI does not just deliver packages, it delivers hope, speed, and connection. In the end, fast delivery is not about time. It is about the timeless promise that no matter where we are, humanity is never out of reach. Comment, subscribe, and like. Thanks for watching.